Hi friends, today I'm gonna do some changes in my bird room and I'm gonna make a little unboxing. Here I have 4 big cages and I want to install them in the bird room. It's a little hard to do unboxing with one hand because they are really big and heavy, but I will try. So this is how they are looking. Here I have the instruction. And I will show you more after I install them, because I feel it's a little hard work to do. Okay, let's do the job. Okay friends, after about 2 hours I finally installed these cages. I'm very tired. They are nice but very hard to install. This is iron, and it's very heavy. Now I want to put the lights, but not today. I'm very tired. Maybe tomorrow. I have some LED lights and I need to install in the cages. I need to put the birds back in the room. I make a lot of noise, disturb a lot of birds, but now I'm done. I feel I do not complete the cages, but this is it. A lot of pieces remains, but it's alright. Hello friends, today it's the second day after I put the cages, the new one, and this is how my bird room looks now. I need to move other birds from here, and here. And now let's see the birds in the new cages. Orange chicken waxbills, Cuban grass squid, here I have the diamond firetail finches, because are big birds. With the African finches, they are a little scared and roughy because I just moved them and I dewormed them. Down here I have the Gouldians. Chicks from and a young shaftail, chicks from this year. And down here nothing yet. I need to move a lot of birds from there. Youngsters there. A little chick. Here I have a pair with a new clutch. The Gouldians from there I need to move, but I have chicks, but the cutthroat finches, and I don't want to disturb them too much. Let's take a close look. I film with my phone because with my camera I don't have enough space. And down there, parrot finches. So for the moment this is it. This is how it looks. Need to do more things, but step by step.